If you've been thinking about getting into the downtown Victoria market, this is the kind of unit that just makes sense. Welcome to the Mod. Right in the heart of downtown Victoria, where everything you need is just steps away. Unit 806 at 1097 View Street is a one-bed, one-bath condo on the 8th floor that has been designed intentionally, set within a steel and concrete building that gives it a solid, quiet feel. Floor-to-ceiling windows bring in incredible natural light, paired with open city views that adds a sense of openness that extends the space beyond its walls. The kitchen is clean and modern. Quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and open layout that actually just works for everyday living. You've also got in-suite laundry, keeping everything simple and self-contained. Plus, there's secure bike storage and repair station, amenity room, outdoor barbecue area, all perfect if you want to keep things simple and move around the city easily. And the lifestyle here is what really stands out. Coffee shops, groceries, restaurants, fitness, everything is right outside your door, with Cook Street Village, Beacon Hill Park, and the Inner Harbor just minutes away. So don't wait. Make this unit yours today and visit our website at pinnaclehomesgroup.com.